How to see how many times you have played a particular song on Spotify. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can see how many times you have played or listened a song on Spotify. Well, while you may not be able to directly view the stats, the particular stats that you want to within the Spotify app, there is a way. You want to head into your browser, and what you want to do is you want to head into the website that is stats.fm. So you can head into stats.fm here and head into it. Here you can see you want to log into your Spotify account. So continue with Spotify, and I agree this. Now it has automatically logged into my account because I was already logged in on the web. Then what you want to do is you want to see here what you have listened to and how many times you have played it. You'll be able to see here. You can see various other recent streams option here. Now I can unlock the plus option to get full insight in my past and get the most accurate stats as well. But here on this, you'll be able to see exactly this. You can see total time streamed here now 0x. This is because I haven't listened to the full songs, but track length and here, so you'll be able to see here. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.